You know that feeling when you're in the middle of a conversation in English, and your brain just freezes. You know the grammar, you know the words, but you can't seem to find that simple, natural sentence to keep the flow going. Most of the time, we overcomplicate things. We try to speak like a textbook, but in New York, London, or Toronto, people speak with short, punchy, and relatable phrases. Today, I've gathered 100 of the most common, everyday sentences that will make you sound like you've lived in the West for years. No boring grammar rules, just real talk that you can start using the second you finish this video. Let's get your confidence up. Part 1. Starting the day and casual greetings. In the US and Canada, how you start a conversation sets the whole vibe. Forget, how do you do? It's way too formal. Try these. How's it going? What's up? Not much. You. Did you sleep well? I'm heading out now. Can you grab me a coffee? It's freezing outside today. I'll be ready in 5 minutes. Have a good one. Catch you later. Part 2. Work, productivity and hitting the office. When you're at work or school, you want to sound professional but natural. These phrases are perfect for the office or a casual coffee meeting. Let's get started. Does that make sense? I'm on it. Can you send me that email? I'm running a bit late. Let's touch base tomorrow. I'll look into it. That works for me. Sorry, I didn't catch that. Could you repeat that, please? What do you think about this? I'm swamped today. Let's take a quick break. I need to get this done. Nice job on the presentation. Part 3. Socializing, eating out and making plans. This is where the real fun begins. If you're at a restaurant in Vancouver or a pub in London, use these. Are you free tonight? Do you want to hang out? Let's grab a bite to eat. My treat. This means I'm paying. Can we get the check, please? I'm starving. That sounds like a plan. I'll have what she's having. Can I get a refill? Is this seat taken? I'm really looking forward to it. What's the special today? I'm full, thanks. Let's split the bill. Where should we go? Part 4. Handling daily tasks and shopping. Whether you're at Target or a local grocery store, these are your go-to lines. How much is this? Do you have this in a different size? I'm just looking, thanks. Where is the restroom? Do you take credit cards? Keep the change. I'd like to return this. Is there a discount on this? Do you have a bag? I'll take it. Part 5. Expressing feelings and opinions. In the West, people are very open about how they feel. Here's how to express yourself without sounding like a robot. I'm so happy for you. That's a bummer. Don't worry about it. I totally get it. Honestly, I'm not sure. That's hilarious. I'm exhausted. You're kidding, right? I'm proud of you. It's not a big deal. I've had a long day. That's incredible. I'm feeling much better. I really appreciate it. No worries at all. Part 6. Household and family talk. If you're living with roommates or family, these are the sentences that keep the house running. What's for dinner? Can you pass the salt? I'll do the dishes. Did you lock the door? I'm going to bed. Can you turn the volume down? I can't find my keys. The Wi-Fi is down again. Make yourself at home. I'll be back in an hour. Part 7. Technology and modern life. We live on our phones, right? Here's how we talk about it. My phone is about to die. Do you have a charger? I'll text you the details. Did you see my last post? Send me the link. I have no signal here. Tag me in that photo. I'll FaceTime you later. My battery is low. The screen is frozen. Part 8. Driving, commuting and travel. Whether you're in an Uber or driving yourself. Turn left at the light. Is there a lot of traffic? Where can I park? How long is the flight? I'm lost. Can you help me? Buckle up. We're almost there. I missed my stop. Which way is north? Safe travels. Part 9. Ending the conversation gracefully. Closing a talk is just as important as starting it. It was nice meeting you. I should get going. Let's keep in touch. See you around. Take care. And that is 100 sentences. It might seem like a lot, but here is the trick. Don't try to memorize them all today. Pick 5 that you really like, and try to use them in a real conversation tomorrow. The more you say them out loud, the more they become a part of you. Remember, speaking English isn't about being perfect, it's about being relatable and connecting with the person in front of you. Whether you're in the busy streets of New York or the quiet suburbs of Toronto, these simple phrases are your secret weapon. Thanks for sticking with me through this list. Which one was your favorite? Or is there a phrase you hear all the time but don't quite understand? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more real-world English tips. I'll see you in the next story.